corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement. Spend my time trying to erase them. But when you hold me in the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain, the more I mentally undress like in a phase. I get dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell, or are you thinking them as well?
Guys, kalian tahu gak ini masakan apa ayu? Ini adalah masakan tradisional guys. Kalian sudah pernah nyicipin belum? Ini enak banget rasanya, pedas-pedas gurih garing kriuk guys. Masakan ini berasal dari daerah Pulau Lombok guys. Nama masakannya ayam suwir sambal terasi. Terlihat mantap bukan guys?